Grade 9, Geography, Chapter 2, Topic, the Northern Plain.
Good morning, children. Welcome to the geography class. In the last class, we learned about the Himalayas. Here is a picture of Himalayan mountains. Today, we are going to learn about the northern plains of India. The three dominating rivers of the northern plains are the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. The northern plain has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. This plain is formed of alluvial soil, the deposition of alluvium in a vast basin lying at the foothills of the Himalaya over millions of years formed this fertile plain. It spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometers, the plain being about 2,400 kilometers long and 240 to 320 kilometers broad. Is a densely populated physiographic division with a rich soil cover combined with adequate water supply and favorable climate. It is agriculturally a very productive part of India. The rivers coming from northern mountains are involved in depositional work. In the lower course, due to gentle slope, the velocity of the river decreases, which results in the formation of riverine islands. The rivers in their lower course split into numerous channels due to the deposition of silt. These channels are known as distributaries. This is the picture of a riverine island. What is riverine island? Island which gets formed in the river when the water level drops down is called riverine island. Majuli in the Brahmaputra river is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world. How are riverine islands formed? The rivers coming from northern mountains are involved in depositional work. In the lower course, due to gentle slope, the velocity of the river decreases, which results in the formation of riverine islands. For example, when you ride a bicycle on a slope from a hilltop to plain area, the velocity of your bicycle is high. But when you reach on a plain area, the velocity of cycling decreases. The difference between the river island and a riverine island is that riverine means relating to or resembling a river, such as the many islands formed in Bangladesh near the mouth of the Brahmaputra. Children, in this picture, you can see the tributaries, meanders, and distributaries. Let us revise them again. What are tributaries? A tributary or affluent is a stream or river that flows into a larger stream or main stem river or a lake. A tributary does not flow directly into a sea or ocean. Tributaries and the main stem river drain the surrounding drainage basin of its surface water and groundwater, leading the water out into an ocean. And what is a distributary? A distributary or a distributary channel is a system that branches off and flows away from a mainstream channel. Distributaries are a common feature of river deltas. The phenomenon is known as river bifurcation. The opposite of a distributary is a tributary. What is meander? A meander is one of a series of regular curves, bends, loops, turns, or windings in the channel of a river, stream, or other water course. It is produced by a stream or river swinging from side to side as it flows across its floodplain or shifts its channel within a valley. Here on the slide, there are some differences between tributaries and distributaries. In this picture, you can see many islands are formed because of river Ganga and Brahmaputra. This is how the northern plains are divided. Punjab plains, Ganga plains, and Brahmaputra plains. The northern plain is broadly divided into three sections. The western part of the northern plain is referred to as the Punjab plains, formed by the Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of this plain lies in Pakistan. The Indus and its tributaries, the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, and the Satluj originate in the Himalayas. This section of the plain is dominated by the Doab. What is Doab? Water-rich tract of land lying between two converging or confluent rivers. The meaning of Doab is clear to you, I think, and this word is made up of two words. Do means two and Ab means water. Similarly, Punjab is also made up of two words. Panj means five and Ab meaning water. That is how it is called Punjab. And Doab means two and water. It means two rivers. The Ganga plain extends between Ghaggar and Teesta rivers. It is spread over the states of North India, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, partly Jharkhand, and West Bengal to its east. Particularly in Assam lies the Brahmaputra plain. The relief features of the northern plain: Bhabar, Tarai, Bhangar, Khadar. The northern plains are generally described as flat land with no variations in its relief. It is not true. These vast plains also have diverse relief features. According to the variations in relief features, the northern plains can be divided into four regions. The rivers, after descending from the mountains, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of about 8 to 16 kilometers in width, lying parallel to the slopes of the Shivalik. It is known as Bhabar. All the streams disappear in this Bhabar belt. South of this belt, the streams and rivers re-emerge and create a wet, swampy, and marshy region known as Tarai. This was a thickly forested region full of wildlife. The forests have been cleared to create agricultural land and to settle migrants from Pakistan after partition. In this region, you will try to locate Dudhwa National Park. The largest part of the northern plain is formed of older alluvium. They lie above the floodplains of the rivers and present a terrace-like feature. This part is known as Bhangar. The soil in this region contains calcareous deposits locally known as kankar, calcareous meaning containing calcium carbonate. The newer, younger deposits of the floodplains are called khadar. They are renewed almost every year and so are fertile, thus ideal for intensive agriculture.
Here are the textbook pages for your reading. Thank you.